Hi everyone, welcome to Logicalate's YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking into how to create a workflow automation for appointment confirmation and reminders in GoHighLevel. It's very easy to set up this automation. Right, so let's get straight into it. Go to GoHighLevel in your account. On the left sidebar you'll have the option of automations. Click that, and then create a new workflow. Then you can set up your name as appointment confirmation and reminders. After that, you will need a trigger. This trigger is important. Whenever something is done, this workflow is triggered. In this case, it is when an appointment is confirmed. That's why the workflow trigger is appointment status. And we can basically give a name to this trigger, right? For our own convenience. So here, we wrote appointment confirmed. Then we have to add some filters. It's very easy to just click over here and select whichever filter you want. For this specific one, we'll choose event type equals normal. Appointment status equals confirmed. In calendar, now, in GoHighLevel you can create calendars for clients to book appointments on, right? This calendar can be on your website, or it can be a link that you've shared with someone. When they book an appointment with you, this workflow will get triggered. That's why we have the following filters. And then in calendar, if your calendar is set up in GoHighLevel, you'll be able to see it over here. They'll soon be uploading a video of how to set up calendars in GoHighLevel as well. Click the drop-down arrow and select your calendar. Whenever someone books an appointment from that calendar, this workflow will trigger automatically. After that, you would want to send a confirmation email to your client or whoever has booked your appointment. So we'll name this confirmation email. From name can be your name or your business's name. Let's say ABC Company, whatever you want to send it as. From email, this is your email, your company's email, or whichever email you'd like to send from. And then the subject would be appointment confirmation with your name/your business name. If you add your business name or your name, it's much easier for your client to recognize your emails. If you just write something general like formal confirmation, they might not recognize it's from you. So it's important to specify clearly for your client. Then you can customize the email. Hi, contact first name. Your appointment has been confirmed for appointment date at appointment time, time zone. In GoHighLevel, you can connect calendars with Zoom or Google Meet. Whenever someone books an appointment, an automatic Zoom or Google Meet link is generated. So you can include this link. Here is the Zoom/Google Meet link to join once it's time for your appointment. To do that, go to Custom Values, Appointment Meeting Location. This is the link that will be sent to your client. You can also add your name, your business's name, and any contact information. Make sure the email looks professional so your clients can recognize it's from your company. When your client gets this email, they can also add it to Google Calendar or Outlook. They can even cancel or reschedule if needed. Save this action. After this confirmation email is sent, the workflow will wait 24 hours before the appointment. So basically, your client will get a reminder 24 hours before their appointment. Name it 24 hours before appointment. Set the wait time as 1 day before appointment. But of course, you have other options, like 1 hour before, 2 hours after, for a follow-up, etc. After the wait, you'll send another email, reminder email, 24 hours before. Add your name, your email, and subject. Your appointment is in 24 hours. Message example. *Hi, contact first name. Just a friendly reminder that your appointment is in 24 hours. We look forward to seeing you then. Then your name, your company's name. Save this action. Next, add another wait step, 1 hour before appointment. Same process. Subject line could be your appointment is in 1 hour. Message example. *Hi, contact first name. This is a reminder that your appointment is in 1 hour. Here is the meeting link, *. Now, not only emails, you can also send SMS reminders. For example, hi, contact first name. This is a friendly reminder that your appointment is in 1 hour. You can customize this however you like. Another thing you can do is send an internal notification to yourself or your team. This can be email, SMS, or WhatsApp. Let's select email. From name could be CRM or whatever you want. So, info@logicalate.com and select user type. You can do all users for now, or if you want, you can enter a custom email. So for example, this is the email that you want to send it to. This can be either your email or whoever you want to inform that an appointment is booked. For now, I'll just use the default given. And then subject, new appointment booked. And then you can write, "Hi, this is to inform you that a new appointment has been booked by." Then you can type in name, go to contact tag, and then you can write full name. Then you can write email, so whoever has booked your appointment, their name, their email, their phone number. And also appointment date and time. You can go to appointment's start date and time, and you can also add the meeting link over here, just like. Here is the meeting link. And then you can add your name, whatever it is, whatever you want to customize. This is just an example. You can save this action, and then you can also notify yourself 24 hours before as well. So you can just paste it over here and write, notification, appointment in 24 hours. You have an appointment in 24 hours. We can also add another internal notification in 1 hour for the appointment. So, appointment in 1 hour. Yes, so this is how your appointment confirmation and reminders workflow can look like. Please let me know in the comments if there's any other thing that you would like me to make a video on, whether it's calendars, opportunities and pipelines, whatever it is. And if you want to support this channel, you can click on the link in the description. If you want to check GoHighLevel out, you can use my affiliate link. That would be a great help for this channel as well. You can sign up for a 14-day free trial on GoHighLevel. It's a great platform to manage your CRM. And if you are interested in automation, or if you are looking for automation for your business, you can also check out our website that is in the description. We also offer ready-made automations for businesses, so you can contact us through our website. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope to see you in the next one very soon. Thank you.